Before we get started, I do want to point out a couple of options for the simulation. I'll click the Options button in the task pane. Here, in this window, you can choose which units to use for the test. The units used in Xpress can be set independently from the units of the SolidWorks document. Material properties, which we'll talk about next, are automatically converted to either SI or English. Keep in mind, you can always come back to this after you've completed the simulation to change your units. In the Results Location field, you can specify where on your computer the results from your analysis will be saved, if you choose to save them. Finally, this checkbox will allow you to see the maximum and minimum results from the analysis. When you get to the results, Xpress will automatically color code the model to show areas of maximum and minimum stress and displacement. But this checkbox turns on flags that point to the exact locations on the part for the maximum and minimum values. I can either click OK to accept the settings, or hit Cancel to revert back to the previous settings.